So the bolt is up. So hammer this one so that the ball joint will pop up. Hammer this side. Remove this nut, bolts, long one. So remove the ball joint here and the one there. Now lower control arm remove. New one is in. Chuck in this one, the ball joint here. Benz E250, the front lower control arm split. This is the one causing noise. Remove the ball joint and remove this bolt here so that you can take this one out. Now the lower front control arm, this bolt is removed, and remove the ball joint here. When the ball joint is up, you cannot remove this one without removing. So remove these two bolts with the shock and the one on top. Remove the bolts here. Remove the bolts the other side. Remove the one, this one, the nut on top. And remove this bolt so that we can take this off. So that more room to remove at the back of this front control arm. To remove the hub bearing, just undo this hex here. One, take this off. This one, and you can pop up the bearing, hub bearing. Remove this one and pry here. Pry this one here. Now it's up. You can remove this arm underneath here. Remove this tie rod in as well, so it's already pop up because this is worn out, and replace as well. Everything is out. Remove this whole thing and all the arms tie rod in, ready for replace. Front arm bolts removed. Now ready for replace this front arm. Tie rod in, one out, so replace this one as well. Swivel link also worn out, replace this one as well. New front arm, new rear arm, new tie rod, new swivel link, and new hub bearing. Good, everything is new.